Todd Preston's here from D.A. Davidson with this week's market news. We're going to start with a focus on yesterday. It sounds like we saw record highs again.
We did, yeah. So we had news out of China. We had the Fed Market Committee meet, and those things both were gave the market some excitement. We saw the S&P and the NASDAQ actually close at record highs. The Dow was at a record high intraday, sold off a little bit before the close, but still was up over 220 points. The S&P was up 27, NASDAQ was up 63. So good solid day, and December's looking good so far.
And so is this a Santa Claus rally with one of those made in China stickers on it?
It might be, because the news out of both Washington and China was the negotiators had reached a tentative deal, phase one deal that included the rollback of tariffs, agricultural deal on our side, and so lots of positives were said. They were expecting an announcement from both the White House and China. That hasn't come yet. The markets were up earlier. The futures weakened a little bit on the fact that there was no news early, but it appears as though, might not be tomorrow, might not be today, but we will probably get a trade deal. The December 15th Sunday is when new tariffs are supposed to kick in, so those will probably be delayed, but we should see a Santa Claus rally.
Yeah, and it sounds like the Fed gave the market a Christmas present too.
They did. They met yesterday and announced there would be no change in interest rates, and it's not likely to see an increase in 2020. They made positive comments about the economy. They feel good about where things are, see good positive strength. So that was also met with good news. We just need to finish the year. Last year, I don't remember, but December basically wiped out an entire year's worth of gains in about 2 weeks. So 2 weeks to go. Everything's looking positive. So it's been a very strong year. The economy's done well. So we just have to finish strong, and it'll be a Merry Christmas for everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone will like their statements January 1.
Yeah, and good start to the new year. Well, thank you so much for being here with us today. Have a good weekend, and we'll be right back after this break.